What is up, YouTube? So I just wanted to kind of show you guys where I think is the best place to buy E85 in Maryland, and that is the Fort Meade Auto Center, located in Fort Meade, Maryland, in between Route 32 and 295, which is Baltimore-Washington Parkway. So just to give you a little background, I purchased E85 in Annapolis, Maryland yesterday, down on Bestgate Road. I paid $2.85 a gallon for it, and here E85 is $2.24. So just kind of give you guys another little idea. They have 5 pumps that offer E85. Bam, they got E85 right there, and then all of their pumps. I mean, every gas station in America should be like that. Look at that, bam, E85, E15, regular gas. I mean, that's just awesome. So again, Fort Meade Auto Center, down in Fort Meade, Maryland. They also have a full selection of VP Race fuels. They got VP Race fuel canisters. They had some other stuff like that. They're also a full service auto repair facility. So I just filled up. Let's go ahead and check the Blue Flex app out and see what the ethanol content is. Also, the E85 I got down in Annapolis the other day was only E70. So again, that goes back to my previous video where I said you get tuned on E85 and you don't have flex fuel, you go get E70. It's a good way to potentially pop your motor. So definitely spend the extra money and get a flex fuel tune and a flex fuel sensor and get the setup. It's worth it in the long run, especially if you get caught out and you're not able to even get E85. So here I'd always say it's above E80, and again, this is where I got my fuel to get my car tuned on. So let's go ahead and open the Blue Flex app up here. Alright, you open it up, list devices, it connects, it's connecting. So I had a half tank when I got here, so it probably won't be, okay, so it's E78. So I had a half tank of E70, added another half tank of whatever they had here, which definitely was at least E80, and that got us up to E78. So hey, definitely good, especially for what, you know, the 55-60 cents a gallon that I saved. Great place, independent, small shop, love to support them. So I'll put the actual address and contact info below. But again, Fort Meade Auto Center, come check them out, especially if you're running E85 or you need some VP Race fuels. They're open Monday through Friday, but their pump's on 24 hours, which is also extremely cool, because the place I used to get in Annapolis, they closed at 9 o'clock and they were closed on Sundays. So and their pumps were turned off. So besides that, everything's going good, man. Evo's running great. See, good oil, good vacuum, good air fuel for idling. Look at that, man. Perfect. Evo's running perfect. Alright, guys, you know what to do out there. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Be safe out there, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.